Welcome back to Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I try to give you as much information as possible in less than 5 minutes. Let's be honest, you've never lasted 5 minutes anyways. All right, so today we're going to be talking about how to build a bridge for your end buyers. So you have a property under contract, you've done the recon, you've gotten pictures, you've put together your dispo marketing package, and now you've sent it out to your end buyers. Maybe those end buyers have even gone out and bought the property, but there's a disagreement on the price. Now this is common, and it's the same thing as when you're talking to a motivated seller. There's going to be disagreements on the after repair value, the amount of repairs, and maybe sometimes even the amount of profit that your buyer wants to make. So here's how you're going to build a bridge for your end buyers. The exact same thing that we do with motivated sellers, we use our profit calculator and we ask the end buyer, what am I missing? What are you seeing? How much do you think the after repair value is? Okay, based off of that number, how much in rehab would you need to do to the property to achieve that after repair value? Once you have that number, say, okay, Mr. Buyer, based off of these two numbers, what I'm seeing is an after repair value of this, holding costs, closing costs, repairs, and then I allocated this much profit, and it gives you a profit percentage of this much. Where in there am I not seeing what you're seeing? Where do we need to adjust our numbers to make this fit your buy box? Now, I talk about not calling buyers and asking what their buy box is all the time. And the reason why is because I want you to prove to your end buyers that you are a real wholesaler that brings value to them, deals. This is the perfect scenario where you can build a relationship with an end buyer unlike any other wholesaler out there. Truly understanding the numbers and walking them through and actually having a conversation about things that other wholesalers never think about. Their holding costs, their closing costs, their profit, and their profit percentage. So once you go through this and you can actually build that bridge and show them, this is how I'm seeing this as a deal, there will be many times where you can actually get an end buyer to buy your deal because you're a wholesaler that understands how to truly analyze a deal. Appreciate you guys. See you on the next one.